Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to add others' Instagram story to my story. The steps for sharing an Instagram story are straightforward. However, there are two very significant limitations built in that you need to understand before you start. The first limitation is that Instagram will not allow you to share someone else's story unless the creator tags you. Unfortunately, there is no way around this, at least for now. If you follow someone and they post a story without tagging you won't be able to share it, even if that person also follows you. The second limitation is that only stories from public accounts can be shared. If you are tagged in someone else's story, but that person has a private account, you can share it. To share someone's Instagram story, when someone mentions you in a story, you will receive a notification. Tap that notification and you'll head to your direct messages. If you swipe away the tag notification, don't worry. Open the Instagram app and tap the direct message icon in the upper right hand corner. Once you are in the direct message feed, you should see a thread from the person who tagged you in their story. Tap the thread. You'll see the story that mentions you in direct messages thread. Below it, you'll see a link that says add to your story. Select that option. The story pops up with a background. Here, you can add stickers, text, whatever else you like before it hits your own story. Once you're ready, tap the send button in the bottom right. Select your story. Alternatively, you can send story to specific groups or contacts. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.